In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Event Easy Way in Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Sign in if you're not already. You'll see your calendar laid out by day, week, or month depending on your chosen view. We'll use the main calendar grid to place the event exactly where it belongs. Navigate to the date you want. Use the on-screen arrows or the small month calendar on the side to move to the right day. Once you're there, look down the time column and find the exact start time for your event. In views like day or week, each column represents a day and each row represents a time slot, so make sure the date and time you want line up in the same column. Click directly on that spot in the calendar grid. A quick ad pop-up appears. For more control, click More Options to open the full event editor. Start by giving your event a clear descriptive title so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Next, confirm that the start and end date and time are correct. If you need the event to take the entire day, turn on all day. If it's a repeating event, open the repeat dropdown and choose the schedule that fits, like daily, weekly, or a custom pattern. If your event is a video meeting, add Google Meet video conferencing with one click. This instantly creates a meeting link that will be included in the event details and shared with guests. Add a location if you have a physical meeting place. Entering a full address helps with directions on mobile and ensures everyone knows where to go. Choose which calendar to save the event to, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work, personal, or shared groups. Picking the right one keeps your schedule organized and color-coded. You can leave the default settings as they are for things like notifications and visibility, unless you have a specific need to change them. Use the description field to add important details, an agenda, talking points, or relevant links, so everything your attendees need lives in one place. If you're inviting others, add guests by entering their email addresses. This lets them receive the event, RSVP, and see the details. Then adjust guest permissions as needed. Decide whether guests can modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your event is now on your calendar and ready to go. With these steps, you can quickly create precise, informative events that keep everyone on the same page.